The history of Home Depot, from warehouse experiment to home improvement. Giant Home Depot is one of the most influential retailers in modern history, transforming the home improvement industry with its massive warehouse stores, competitive pricing, and focus on do-it-yourself customers. Its story is one of bold vision, rapid growth, and long-term dominance in a highly competitive market. The company was founded in 1978 in Atlanta, Georgia by Bernard Marcus and Arthur Blank, along with Pat Farah and investment banker Ken Langone. Marcus and Blank had been dismissed from handy-dan home improvement centers. Their idea was radical for the time. Enormous warehouse-style stores stocked with a wide variety of tools, lumber, appliances, and building materials, all sold at discount prices. The goal was to serve both professional contractors and everyday homeowners. In 1979, the first 2 Home Depot stores opened in Atlanta. The stores were intentionally oversized, with high shelves, wide aisles, and thousands of products. Employees were trained to provide expert advice, creating a new kind of retail experience for DIY customers. Home Depot's growth accelerated throughout the 1980s. The company expanded across the southern United States and went public in 1981. By focusing on volume sales, supplier partnerships, and customer education, Home Depot quickly became a dominant force in home improvement retail. The company's orange and white branding, warehouse layout, and knowledgeable staff became hallmarks of the brand. Home Depot also invested heavily in training employees, believing customer service would drive long-term loyalty. During the 1990s, Home Depot expanded nationally and entered international markets, including Canada and Mexico. The company refined its supply chain, built massive distribution networks, and introduced new store formats. Home Depot faced strong competition from Lowe's, which modernized its stores and targeted similar customers. The rivalry pushed both companies to improve operations, pricing, and customer experience. In the 2000s, Home Depot experimented with new strategies, including expanding into contractor services and acquiring supply companies. Some initiatives struggled, but the company refocused on its core retail business. During the 2008 financial crisis, the housing market collapse slowed Home Depot's growth. The company responded by cutting costs, improving efficiency, and strengthening its professional contractor business. In the 2010s and 2020s, Home Depot invested heavily in e-commerce, supply chain technology, and curbside pickup, adapting to changing shopping habits while maintaining its warehouse store identity. Today, Home Depot operates thousands of stores across North America and is the largest home improvement retailer in the world. The company remains known for its scale, customer service, and leadership in DIY culture. From a risky warehouse experiment to a global home improvement giant, Home Depot's history shows how bold ideas, disciplined execution, and customer focus can reshape an entire industry. Home Depot stands as one of the greatest success stories in American retail.